Guangdong AiPower New Energy Technology Company Limited, established in 2015, is a high-tech enterprise dedicated to charging technology in the new energy industry. AiPower integrates research and development, product design, precision manufacturing, and global marketing to deliver efficient, reliable, and innovative power solutions for electric vehicles and industrial applications worldwide. With a registered capital of 100 million RMB, AiPower operates a modern 18,000 square meter factory equipped with smart production lines, intelligent assembly systems, and professional laboratories. The factory has obtained CE and UL certification by TUV Lab, ISO 9001, ISO 45001, ISO 14001, and IATF 16949 certifications, rigorously ensuring that every process from material inspection, PCB assembly, software calibration to aging and performance testing meets strict global quality standards. AiPower maintains a strong R&D team of over 100+ engineers and holds 75 patents focusing on innovation in smart charging technology, energy management, and intelligent system integration. AiPower's products include EV chargers, Forklift battery chargers, AGV chargers, and power modules, all designed to meet diverse global energy requirements. Each product undergoes comprehensive performance, safety, and durability verification before shipment to ensure reliability and consistency. Trusted by global leaders such as BYD, HELI, XCMG, LiuGong, and GAC, AiPower consistently delivers premium, proven, certified, and professional energy solutions. AiPower, smart charging, sustainable living.